Hi, I'm Leah Elum, 29 years old, and I am a personal assistant. Ang reason ko is magpapa-hyconose po. Kaya ako nagtiwala kasi, ang nagtiwala una si Ma'am Lay sa kanya eh. So yun pong nagbigay sa akin ng lakas ng loob na subukan po. Kahit paano pala, maigaganda pala ako. Ganon. At saka tataas yung confidence ko po. Today, nandito po ako sa Savoj para i-retouch ang aking hyconose. At hindi na ako takot. Excited po ako. And kasi nga, subok ko na yung mga doctors na gumawa at nagawa na ako dati.
Hello mga ka-Savoj, mabuhay! This is Dr. Siggy De Castro of Savoj Aesthetics and Medical Clinic. Okay? So, we have again our patient na si Leah. So, she's a status post HICU, non-surgical rhinoplasty. So, kung titingnan natin, like a year ago, nagpagawa na siya ng HICU, no? Makikita mo meron pa ring silhouette or yung tinatawag natin na shadow ng height ng ilong niya. Okay? Ito. But then, after a year, gusto niyang tumaas ulit. So, we could do a refill of threads using the polycaprolactone threads. Okay? So, yung threads natin na PDO na ginawa natin, it will really last like 8 months to 1.5 years para ma-achieve yung high rhino na gusto niyang mangyari. Since she has already a history of hyconose, the best is the insulated HICU. Okay? Pero titingnan muna natin kasi ang ilalagay natin PCL threads. Kung mag-voluminize kaagad siya, putting a PCL threads from a fibrotic material tissue, lumulobo siya kaagad-agad. So we will see. Sa bibig lang huminga, wag sa ilong. Very good. Ayan. Okay. Ayun. So, nai-splice natin yung fibrotic material sa loob ng ilong. Yan. So, titignan mo na nagkaroon ng height agad-agad. PCL. Yeah, pahingin ng PCL. Very good. Yan. Okay. Pinakamaganda PCL talaga kapag post-HICU na. Napaka-rampant ang HICU threads nowadays. So, it's very difficult for patients, lalo na yung mga ka-Savoj natin, who will be who has the authority in doing such procedure. Okay? So, kailangan lagi tayong decisive when visiting a clinic doing the HICU procedure. Okay? Yeah, kailangan pa natin kasi as like what I've said, if you're going to use the PCL for a fibrotic material, mabilis siyang umalsa. Ayan, tinan mo, umaalsa na siya kaagad. Kapag PCL ang ginagamit natin, post-HICU, para siyang naka-fillers na din. So, tataasan natin yung kanyang columella kasi halos wala ng laman. Para medyo tumaas yung tip ng ganyan. Yan. Malapit na tayong matapos. So, ginawa natin siyang threads lamang without fillers. Using the PCL. Ayan. Maski HICU lang to, na walang fillers. Okay? Kailangan nilang alagaan naman. Like 48 hours after the procedure. Kasi kapag ito ay nagkaroon na traumatic injury like nasiko o kaya nasuntok, okay, napakahirap itong i-treat ulit, okay, kasi yung surrounding structures ay masusugatan, katulad yung mga surrounding structures or katabing structures like yung lacrimal apparatus, yung lacrimal duct, okay, the moment na ito ay na-traumatize, pwedeng mag-rupture. So, pwedeng maging cause ng vascular compromise, vascular occlusion, o kaya tinatawag natin na vascular necrosis. Okay? And then the worst is yung permanent and total blindness. Maski threads lang yan. So, kailangan alagaan. We already inserted like 12 pieces of threads. Okay? Now, if I will be asked, okay, hindi ako satisfied dito sa midsection ng ating nose. Because if you're going to measure the root, which is this one, it is how many millimeters? Okay? 5, 10. It's 15 millimeters. So, dapat itong width dito, width all throughout. Dito medyo payat, para siyang Coca-Cola. And that's the best time when we put fillers in this area or in this section. Okay? Para ang itsura niya straight na straight. Dahil ang perfect na dorsum ng nose, diretso. Hindi siya Coca-Cola shape. So, maganda yung width natin dito. So, dapat yung width dito all throughout. So, we're going to put hyaluronic acid fillers. Okay. If the threads will last like 8 months to 1.5 years, then pupuluputan natin or i-insulate natin or i-cover natin ng hyaluronic acid. Okay. Mas matagal na magiging half-life or kanyang longevity. Kasi nga, kung yung threads itself is 8 months to 1.5 years, tapos yung fillers mo is 6 months to 1 year. If you're going to combine it, mas longer yung period na malulusaw ito ng ating katawan. So, like 2.5 to 3 years at most. Okay? Chin up ng konti. So, lalagyan lang natin itong gitna na medyo payat. So, insulated haiku yung kinalabasan nitong ating ginagawa. Yan. So, your doctor will feel the threads kasi dapat dun siya naka-admix. Okay? Now, we're going to mold the fillers. Then, we'll see the final result. Okay. Ayan.
Oh my God!
Ang kanyang pose.
Oh my God! Hala!
Chin up ng konti.
Thank
Tingnan
you,
natin
Doc.
yung nostrils kung pantay. Okay, pantay naman siya. Tingnan natin kung merong overhangings. Wala din. Okay, so perfect.
Oh my God, thank you, Doc. Thank you, ang ganda po. Wala, parang hindi ako. Hala, thank you, Doc.
Side view. Chin up.
Oh my God, Doc,
Okay, so
thank
ano
you.
masasabi mo ngayon sa ilong, bago mong ilong ulit?
Ang ganda pa po. Thank
Okay.
you. Tsaka,
It's a rebirth of your ilong.
thank you po, Doc. Question po pala. Ano pong pwedeng, mga hindi ko pwedeng gawin? At saka yung pwedeng kung anong bawal na food?
Okay. O, yung ginawa natin is an insulated type of haiku. Okay? So, meron tayong antibiotics na dapat na iinumin for 1 week. Okay? For the pain, kung meron kang pain na mararamdaman subsequently, paracetamol lamang. Bawal yung mga mefenamic acid, bawal yung mga ibuprofen, or other anti-inflammatory agents. Okay? Kasi mapapabilis yung normal na healing process. Okay? So, hindi magiging maganda. Kasi ang objective ng paglalagay ng threads is to induce collagen formation. Ang collagen formation is being cascaded from an inflammation. So, bawal ang mga anti-inflammatory. Paracetamol lamang for the pain. Okay? Then, kailangan mong alagaan yung butas. Maglalagay tayo ng mga ointment. Okay? So, papahid mo yon using cotton pads. Hindi ka pwedeng maligo ngayon, tomorrow pwede na. Kung may pasa, just in case, dito sa mga surrounding your eye, it's very normal also. Paglalagay ng hot and cold compress, bawal. Okay? Dahil mahihilaw yung normal healing process. So, let the healing process takes its course. Okay? Then, aalagaan mo siya na hindi ito matabig, hindi ito masuntok. Okay? Kasi kapag ang threads natin na napakatulis nagalaw or natabig, pwede niyang i-injure yung mga vascular structures o kaya yung mga iba pang ducts or structures surrounding this area. Katulad ng mga lacrimal apparatus, okay? Katulad yung mga vessels na makikita mo dito at saka yung mga vessels na makikita mo dyan. Pwede niya yung masugatan. So, pwede magkaroon ng infection, pwedeng vascular occlusion, vascular compression, vascular compromise, or the worst is vascular necrosis that may lead to permanent or total blindness. Yun ang dapat mong tatandaan.
Tsaka Dok, ngayon kasi sobrang init, so hindi ako pwede stay longer under the sun, ganun.
Oh, that's also a good question, no? If you're going to, tanning, okay, na nakababad ka sa sun, sunblock ka. Okay? At hindi naman yun masyadong related kasi medyo malalim ang ating hyconose threads. Then, alituntunin tips, okay? Be very, very cautious, no? And very, very decisive in visiting your clinics na gagawa ng iyong ilong. Okay? So, sa Vogue Aesthetics and Medical Clinic, lahat na nagpo-perform dito are medical doctors. Okay, we have 6 branches. Our newest is in Bukawi, Bulacan. Okay, Tomas Morato, Quezon City, Better Living, Parañaque, Angeles, Pampanga, okay, SM Olongapo Central, and our premier branch, PGC. Okay, so be very, very cautious in choosing your clinic. Be very, very selective, okay, in identifying your doctors as well. Dahil ilong yan, okay, konting pagkakamali, konting kibit lang na hindi mo naalagaan, pwedeng magkaroon ng nakakatakot na complication.
Thank you po. Thank you sa Vogue. Thank you, Doc. Thank you po.